So today I'm going to be unboxing the Keychron Q1 keyboard. It got delivered after a month's wait, so I had pre-ordered this as soon as it went live, and after waiting for about 28 days, it finally got delivered to me after a few messages with Keychron and then the DHL itself, but it finally came through. So let's just open it and see how it looks inside, what it comes with, and all the good stuff. There might already be a few videos out there that showcases this, but let's just give this my twist. So it comes with a really protective packaging so that the keyboard doesn't get damaged during the delivery. So it's pretty good packaging, to be honest. And the box itself is quite thick, so you can see the Keychron Q1, a 75% mechanical keyboard, and the different color options. So it says that it is 75% layout, dual compatibility between Mac and Windows, open source firmware, gasket mount design, screw in stabilizers, CNC aluminum body, and sound absorption foam. Based on what I've heard, the sound absorbing foam is not that good, but we can test that out ourselves. So let's just peel it out of the box. I don't need to really do this, but might as well. Peeling off the plastic. The box itself is quite heavy. It's not a light keyboard, I think, or maybe it's the included items. Let's just lift it up to see. That was some good experience. And oh, there's like a foam here. Let's just see. It's a good foam. Maybe I've heard that there's like too much hollowness inside of the keyboard, so maybe what we can do is like maybe cut this up to fit the keyboard if you want to customize it yourself. Maybe you can use it like that. So what you can see here is like you can get like make sure your switch pins are straight before inserting switches. So if you want to like insert your own custom switches, that's the card for that. There's a user manual that you can use like to go through the different stuff, so in different languages. Don't need that, but we're here for the keyboard itself. The keyboard is quite heavy, and oh my god, this is a big chungus. So the keyboard is here. Let's put this down for a moment, and let's just get the things out. Get a very nice braided cable, coiled cable, so that there's a connector here. You can connect this and then like screw it. It's a really nice cable. Unfortunately, the Keychron Q1, it's really hard to say the name. Keychron Q1, it's basically needs a connection because it doesn't have a Bluetooth, so you would definitely need this cable. And unlike other keyboard manufacturers, you don't have to buy this separate. This is included in the box. And then you get certain screws and like some gasket fillings, so if you want to customize it. And so these are just some extras. And then you have like additional keys, so if you're a Windows user, you can swap them, and basically it comes with Mac settings. So if you are using Windows and you want to have Windows keys, you can definitely use that because it comes in here. And apart from that, there's just like a layout of the keyboard, and basically that's pretty much what you get with the box. Now let's just take the keyboard out of its packaging, and it is really heavy. It is substantially heavy. Let's just see if I can pick this up without scratching or cutting anything. Oh, I can. This might be out of the shot, but let me just open it. showing you how the keyboard looks, and there you go. So this is how it looks. So I went with the black and the navy format, so this is the color that I liked. I basically ordered the pre-built one, but this is quite heavy and it's all aluminum. It's quite heavy for a keyboard because just look at this, and I'll show you my current keyboard. So this is the current keyboard that I have. It's from Logitech. It's the TKL 915, and it's pretty good. I've got the brand switches here, and this is pretty light even though it's aluminum, and I thought this was heavy, but compared to this and this, like I think say 3 or 4 of this keyboard together still might not amount to the weight of this one, so it's quite heavy. And let's just have a sound test. Sounds pretty good compared to my current one. So there you have it, the new Keychron Q1 fully assembled. Hope you like it.